Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. 2-pack, Wheelbarrow 10-inch solid rubber tire wheels. Wheelbarrow 10-inch solid rubber tires and wheels, say goodbye to flat tires forever. When you're out in the field or working along rocky terrain, flat-free solid rubber tires will definitely save your day. Don't wait for another flat tire. Convert now to a more reliable and durable flat-free tire. Replacement 4.10 or 3.50- tires and wheels. These solid rubber tire and wheel assemblies are universal replacements for tires with outer diameters of 10.3 inches, tire widths of 3.2 inches, 2.16 inches hub offset, and 5/8 inch axle bore holes. Number 2. 4.10 or 3.50- tire and wheel flat-free, 10, solid tire wheel with 5/8 bearings. No flat tire worries forever. Prevent from getting punctured or deflated, keep you away from the trouble of inflating tires frequently, more reliable, more durable. Why spend hundreds for a cart when you can just change the wheels? Model 4.10 or 3.5- tires and wheels flat-free, diameter 10, a tire width 3.1, axle bore diameter 5/8, hub offset 2.1. Please check carefully before buying to make sure the tires match. Suitable for dynamic load bearing, not suitable for static load bearing. Number 3. 4.10 or 3.50- flat-free tire and wheel. Enhance performance with 10-inch solid rubber wheels. Upgrade your equipment with our 10-inch solid rubber tire wheels, a resilient 4.10 or 3.50- tire replacement. Bid farewell to flat tires on rocky terrain. Our flat-free design guarantees durability and reliability. Say no to downtime, make the switch to dependable 4.10 or 3.50- for flat-free tires today. Versatile replacement 4.10 or 3.50- for tires and wheels. Experience universal compatibility with our replacement flat-free solid rubber tire and wheel assemblies. Designed for 10.3-inch outer diameters. Number 4. 10-inch solid replacement tire and wheel 4.10 or 3.50-4. Extra durable top quality. Our 10 replacement tires for dolly hand carts and more feature solid thick rubber wheels, stabilize and balance your load. Enjoy easier, more comfortable cart pushing and dolly pulling. Number 5. Wheelbarrow tires 4.80 4.00-8 flat-free, 16, universal solid wheels with 5/8 and 3/4. Upgraded 16-inch flat-free wheelbarrow tires. Say goodbye to frequent inflation and blowouts with these 4.80 4.00-8 tires. Easily repair or replace your tires and save your time and money. Why not? Please check carefully before buying to make sure the tires match. Model 4.80 4.00-8, diameter 16, axle bore diameter 5/8, precision bearings with extra 3/4 precision bearings, hub length 3-7, adjustable via spacers. Please check carefully before buying to make sure the tires match. Not for highway use.